Ay, may nanonood na kaagad. Hi po! Ay, may nanonood na So, di pa, saksak na. Alang malabot ako along the way. Hi po! Start po ako ng 2:00. Baka may Q&A tayo. Chikahan po muna tayo before we start. Ayan. Teka, share ko lang to. Share natin sa Second Crafts. So, share natin with ribbon printing business demo. J. Start po tayo ng 2:00. Q&A po muna tayo. Tapos, Q&A, sharing na, Hi po! Sino to? Start po ako ng 2:00. Papadami lang ako ng views. Yes? Share ko lang sa community. Baka may questions po kayo. I can accommodate questions. Habang hindi pa nag-start, papadami lang po ako ng views. Start po ako ng 2:00. Explain ko po yung ribbon printing business ng Shekan and yung mga kayang gawin ng ribbon printing business ng Shekan. Leden, ganyan. Pati yung mga pang-clothing labels, Q&A, and syempre may giveaway. So, may 9. Mag-start po ako ng 2:00. If may questions po kayo about our product, siguro I can accommodate right now po. Tapos, pati yung mga wholesale prices namin, ilalabas ko na din po. So, may 9 tayo. Second Crafts. Excuse me po. May 10 views. Mag-start po ako ng 2:00. Sakto. So, lahat ng may questions about ribbon printing business, explain ko po. Chika-chika muna tayo. Ay, may giveaway po kami may existing giveaway kami sa Shekan. So, lahat ng, for the existing giveaway ng Shekan, sa lahat ng sasali po, may giveaway campaign kami until March 29. So, may ribbon printing consumables giveaway. Ang promo na to is March 1 to 28. Tapos may live draw here on Facebook ng March 29. I-need nyo lang po is mag-post ng Bakasyekan yan story, kahit anong klaseng story, basta involving ribbon printing business. Whether it's it's a small win po ng ribbon printing business nyo or mga unforgettable experience nyo with the Shikan PH, etc. Any, as long as ma-approve po sa ating community, you may get a chance to win ng mga consumables from Shikan PH. It's 10,000, yung first prize is 10,000 worth, yung next prize is 5,000, and yung pinaka list price is 2,000. So far, wala pang nag-entry, pero hanggang March 29 naman po ito. So, more chances of shares, more chances of winning. So, ano ba yung makikita sa community natin? So, ito siya. Minsan nagda-dump kami doon ng mga tutorials. Like this, may mga nag-random question. Makita ba? Ayan, recent lang, may questions about home credit. Pwede ba i-home credit ang Shekan die cutting machine? Sino pwede mag-assist? I want to purchase po. For home credit ng Shekan Crafts die cutting machine, pwede po siya, pero ang area niya is Shekan PH kasi nagpa-process po ng home credit is currently yung COO namin, si Miss Mau. Ang office location niya is sa Shekan PH. Currently po kasi magkahiwalay yung Shekan PH tsaka yung Shekan Crafts. But by third quarter or fourth quarter of this year, magsasama na siya in one location. Sa Forest Hill, Novaliches pa din po ang magiging location. Tapos, yung mga shops ng within Shekan Group, magiging isa na lang po siya. So, ayan, konting TS-TS na lang po, magkahiwalay po currently si Shekan PH, yung ribbon printing, and yung Shekan Crafts, die cutting na shop. So, for this, if gusto nyo po ng installment, meron po kaming ino-offer with BillEase. For BillEase, just check out lang po with our website, download the app, create a profile sa app ng BillEase, tapos mag-check out using our website, i-settle yung first down payment. Pagka-settle po natin ng first down payment, automatic or real-time na po namin nakukuha yung notification na confirm yung orders. We ship the items the next day or basta within 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. ang shipping namin ng items for Shekan Crafts die cutting machine. Hi, ma'am. Ayan na si Ma'am Rowena Apalilia Baldosano. Hello, ma'am. Start tayo ng 2:00. Nagpapadami lang po ako ng view. So, ayan. Sali kayo sa namin, sa ribbon printing giveaway namin. So, kunyari ito, si Ma'am Mayan. Share siya ng share. The more you share, the more chances of winning ng giveaway namin currently. So, ayan. Ito may shinare ako kahapon regarding sa washable labels namin here, clothing labels here namin sa Shekan. We're currently offering 3 kinds of washable labels, nylon taffeta, UV satin ribbons, TPU labels. Here in this picture, if you're a ribbon printer buyer from January, meron kaming sinasamang samples like this para makita nyo yung texture and quality ng washable labels kasi di siya na-justify sa picture. Iba yung quality ng picture and video sa sa pinaka pag nahawakan nyo siya. So, iba-iba yung description of each washable labels. Pero, mamaya, i-dwell ko, i-explain ko isa-isa. And you can ask naman samplers like this. So, may samples kami pinamimigay for mga interested clients for clothing labels. So may question tayo from Ma'am Rowena Apalia Icasensya Baldosano. Ang haba. Hi ma'am, ask ko lang po yung foil sa ribbon, bakit minsan nagfe-fade po? Anong color to ma'am? Pag fade ma'am, if you have label shop, lalaruin mo yung density. Kasi per foil po, parang iba-iba yung density or darkness required para makapag-print. Laruin mo lang yung speed tsaka yung density. For the speed, I always recommend yung pinakamabagal. If yung medyo luma na yung version mo ng label software, 25 mm per second, pero if medyo bago yung software mo, try mo yung 50 mm per second. Tapos yung density, laro-laruin mo per print. Bago mo i-mass print, isa-isang print ka muna. Or you can message our page, Chicken PH, or yung Viber group with my operations personnel. You can message them po. We have nasa 4 ang naka-duty po ngayon. So, ayan. Ma'am Rowena, sa ano siya? Print settings po siya. Hi, si Roha andito. Hi, Rog. Rog, we have ongoing giveaway. Sali ka. Sir Paul, from Bicol po ako, want to mag-avail ng ribbon printer. Actually, sir, we have ribbon distributors. I'm not sure lang po kung may distributor na tayo sa Bicol. But ang for the distributors, you can check with our website. And dito po yung complete list ng ating distributors. If wala pa po from Bicol, you need to you want to buy a ribbon printer, dito po kayo sa amin sa main shop. So, for Bicol, I don't think if meron na. So, ano spelling ng Bicol? Yeah, sa main shop po kayo. To order po, you can message or call us. Message nyo lang po yung page. Itong pinagla-livean ko. We have 4 to 5 operations personnel quality na naka-duty ngayon sa Shekan. Magre-reply po sila sa inyo. Ma'am Rowena, metallic gold po. For metallic, anong settings ng metallic, be?
Mas mababa.
Try mo, ma'am, daw mas mababa yung
Mga
density.
12 to 14.
12 to 14 daw po yung ano. Or kapag hindi pa din, during my live po, you can message yung operations personnel natin. May 5 pong naka-duty ngayon sa Shekan. So, root them. Ate ganda! Si Ruth ito. Si Ruth. Ruth. Ito ba yung distributor natin? Deb. Distributor. Ayan, I'll start my live na po. So, ang purpose for this live kasi, Ribbon Printing 101, from time to time po kasi, nagla-live talaga ako here sa mga pages namin to explain our products kasi hindi siya madaling mag-gets kagad from the videos itself, ganyan. So, recently, nag-duty po ako with Sheka. Then, ang dami kong medyo naririnig na medyo madaming myths or paniniwala. So, parang, I think I need to live para mas ma-explain ko kung bakit kailangang mas alam natin yung ribbon printing business. Ganyan. So, in here, you'll expect yung ribbon printing calendar. Kasi sa ribbon printing ko, all year round yung demand, pero may peak season and may lean season. So, this March, medyo lean season siya. But, may mga products kaming sobrang mabenta. So, kahit lean season siya sa ibang products, nakakabawi naman pa kami with other products. Tapos yan, yung ribbon printing myths. Actually, ang purpose nito kasi may nakita akong, I'm not sure if competitor level na namin siya. Pero ang dami niya kasing maling sinasabi. So, I think kailangan kong sabihin yung truth kasi yung experience namin with ribbon printing nasa 5 years and we think kami yung pinaka-expert for that kind of field. Yan. Tapos, i-explain ko na din yung graduation ribbons costing, selling, and pricing guides. And then, yung importance of having high-quality consumables on your ribbon printing business. And then, if you want wholesale po na mga products, we offer distribution program here sa Shekan. So, magkakaroon din po tayo ng live Q&A session. Siyempre, may giveaway. Ayan. Ang papakilala po muna pala ako sa inyo. I am She Velasco po. Yes, hindi po ako yung news, pero ako po yung CEO ng Shikan Group. Shikan Group, when you say Shikan Group po, sige, explain ko na lang din kung paano nabuo yung Shikan. So, almost 5 years ago, ako po yung pinaka-founder actually. I have my 6,000 pesos. Tapos, madaming products yun eh. Ang pinaka nag-focus ako is with the ribbon printing. Over time, lumago siya. Hindi na lang po isang corporation yung hawak namin ngayon. Naging dalawang corporation po. And from Shekan before, Shekan Thermal Printers, naging Shekan PH, so nagano yung Shekan Group. Yung Shekan Group po, consist siya ng 4 na business. Si Shekan Trading Corp, 4 na business siya, pero 2 corporation. Si Shekan Trading Corp, siya po ay binubuo ni Shekan, label up by ISA, Shekan Stamps. Lahat po ito is under the business of Shekan Trading Corp. Then, I have a new corporation last year, which is Shekan Crafts Corp. Shekan Crafts die cutting machine naman yung in-offer. Die cutting machine, metal dies, mga embossing folders, etc. Magkaiba silang entity, magkaiba silang persona, pero iisa lang din naman po yung mga management. Kaya magkahiwalay ito kasi yung Shekan Crafts Corporation before, pinapasukan ko siya ng investors. And to protect my other assets, si Shekan Trading Corp, label up Shekan Stamps, nag-create ako ng another corporation for Shekan Crafts Corp alone. So, for the purpose of this video, ang i-explain ko lang po right now is Shekan PH, ribbon printing. For the die cutting machine, siguro another demo na lang siya. Pero papahapyawan ko rin here siya. For the ribbon printing, ayan. Ang brand na dala po ng Shekan PH is the Liden Ribbon Printer. Actually, hindi siya ribbon printer lang. Kaya din po niya mag-print on stickers, on hang tags. So, mas mga barcodes, ganyan, mga RFID. Pero here in the Philippines, mas kilala siya with ribbon printer kasi yun yung nadala nung Shekan for 4 to 5 years ng pagmamarket. So, ang mga kaya niyang project is branding ribbons, ayan, sash, mga sablay, pang gift wrapping. Ito yung mga major markets namin, ganyan. Clothing labels. For clothing labels, mas ini-improve pa siya ni Shekan right now. Tapos, pang special events. When you say special events kasi, pwedeng yung may uso ngayon sa mga memorial ribbons, yung kapag ililibing na yung loved one mo, instead na yung black tin, ang ginagawa nila is mas memorial ribbons yung nilalagay nila. Is may sunrise, may sunset, ganyan, nung details nung namatay. Pwede din siyang pang-concert, mga wristbands, etc. Tapos ngayon, ang in-demand po is the graduation ribbons. Para nag-i-start na po yung Label Up by ISA na page namin, na isa naming business for graduation ribbons. And aside sa ribbon, si Leden Ribbon Printer is kaya din niya mag-print for stickers, sa mga stickers, ganyan. So, ayan. May question po from Ma'am Tin. Hello, ma'am. Pwede po ba mag-print sa gross grain ribbon? Yes, ma'am. Mamaya pakita ko po yung quality ng gross grain ribbon sa amin. Hi, Ma'am Ruth! CD Studio. Yan, Ma'am Ruth. Sige, chika ka rito Meron tayo, Ma'am Ruth. May giveaway tayo. 10K, 5K, 2K. Pwedeng sumali yung mga distributors natin doon sa giveaways. Ayan, going back with my with ribbon printer ng Shekan. We offer 6 kinds of models ng leaden ribbon printer. So, medyo yung iba na overwhelmed dito which to choose, and medyo nalilito. Ang ano lang po diyan, ang option ay just ask yourself kung anong gusto mong print resolution and anong gadget ang available sa'yo. Yun lang po yun. Pero all this model, kaya po mag-print ng stickers, ribbon, sash, ano pa bang mga available, mga etiketa, clothes labels, yan. Pare-parehas lang sila, pati yung itsura nila pare-parehas. Nagkaiba-iba lang po with the specs. So when we say ito, we have LG 920, LG 930, LG 920 BW, LG 930 BW, LG 930A, LG 930C. When you say 920, ibig sabihin po 200 dpi siya. And yung dpi stands for dot per inch. Ideally, yung mga 200 dpi for mga sash or mga malalaking details na ribbons. Pero if nagpe-print tayo ng mas more intricate design and we want more solid print, I suggest LG 930 units kasi mas solid siya mag-print and mas kaya niya mag-print ng intricate details. Higher resolution, higher DPI means mas kaya niya mag-print ng mga fine details. And mas solid siya, lalo na if magwa-white print tayo. Excuse me po. Tapos, LG 920 BW, yan, 200 dpi siya. When you say BW, it stands for Bluetooth. So, pwede kang mag-print, lazy printing lang via Android, iOS. Minsan, yung Bluetooth version printers, pwede sa mga MacBook. But yung mga Bluetooth version na yon, yung mga medyo bagong MacBook, yung compatible. Speaking of MacBook, if MacBook user po kayo, we offer a different machine for that. LG 930A naman yung for MacBook. A stands for Apple. Lahat po ng models na to pwede for Windows, pero may specific lang po kaming model na pwede for MacBook, which is the LG 930A. And yung MacBook printer po namin is printer driver lang ang inclusion tsaka tutorial. Best for this, pag MacBook user ka, is meron kang Photoshop. You know naman sa MacBook, medyo binibili lahat. So, ayan. Binibili lahat ng apps. So, pero the rest of the models, kaya naman po niya compatible siya with Windows. Tapos, pag Windows po, we provide the software, the updated software, and then may one-on-one tutorial with the Shikan operations personnel. Tapos, yung last unit namin, which is LG 930C, C stands for cutter. Yung cutter is best siya with nylon taffeta. So we have a machine po na nagka-cut automatically. However, hindi po siya pwedeng gamitin for ribbons kasi we had an experience before. Actually, may client kami na nasiraan ng cutter kasi akala din namin na pwede siya for ribbon. Though nakapag-cut na siya ng madaming ribbons, yung cutter pumurol. And then, umabot sa point na medyo nagalit siya. Tapos, syempre, hindi naman namin gusto na magalit siya. We offer replacement. So, from then on, hindi na namin minamarket ang LG 930C for ribbons kasi yung cutter pala talaga niya is for nylon taffeta. So, we learned the hard way. Pero okay lang. At least, now we know. And yung LG 930C, it's best for clothing labels. So, if nag-offer ka ng clothing labels, pre-cut, pwede ka nang mag-pre-cut ng nylon taffeta itself. So, ayan, if you have confused pa din po tayo ng bibili na unit, ang bestseller namin actually is LG 930. But if may specific need po kayo, like example, MacBook, LG 930A po yung marirecommend namin. Or you can message us naman po on our page sa Shikan PH. We have operations personnel every day, Mondays to Sunday. Even Sunday, we have operations po. So, si Shekan po, meron din siyang physical shop in Novaliches. So, ayan. May questions po ba? So, wala pa naman pong question so far. And when you buy a ribbon printer package, ito po yung inclusions. Aside sa printer and complete ribbon printer paraphernalia, we have other values na may like freebies yan. Mayroon kang free 2 pieces of Shekan ribbons, 2 pieces ng Shekan foils. Later po, i-explain ko kung ilang kasyang ribbons sa foils. For now, dito muna, wait lang. For the manual, this black one, ito yung mga, meron siyang mga tutorial within, mga pwede nyong gamitin, mga pwede nyong gawin, or pwedeng settings ng machine just in case hindi makapag-reply mga operations personnel namin or nagpiprint ka ng gabi, mga 10 p.m. onwards, wala na po nagre-reply nun sa page namin, you can check here po. Pero, nagre-reply naman po yung yung page namin. Yung pinaka online support namin is through our pages po. So, ayan, may manual, yung ribbon printer swatches, may libre pong app, if I'm not mistaken, 4. Tapos 1:1 lang po yan, kasama siya sa ribbon printer package talaga. Tapos may stencil guides, kung para saan yan, explain na lang po siya sa tutorial, sa one-on-one tutorial. Tapos yung after sales and printer warranty, we offer din po ng replacement ng parts ng machine, kung may sira, ganyan. Yung software, pag Windows, provided po ng Shekan. And we also offer exclusive promos and discounts from Shekan PH. Exclusive po siya kasi may mga non-ribbon printer buyers na nag-a-avail. Pero medyo limited po kasi yung mga consumables na available with Shekan. So, we only offering it sa mga clients namin talaga. So, ayan. Yung ribbon printing calendar, ito, importante to kasi at least you'll know what to market on a different per season. So, ngayon, I'll start with March. Medyo lean season po ang March sa customized ribbons. Pero, pag graduation season, malakas siya. So, I suggest, pag graduation season, mag-offer din po tayo ng graduation ribbons. Mamaya, mag-explain ako ng kung magkano yung costing yan. Pero if may questions po kayo with our products or paano i-market, paano ipa-price, I suggest check nyo lang po itong pin post sa Label Up by Isa. So, ito yung another business namin. Ito yung research and development ng Shekan PH. So, ito yung pag may mga clients kaming, itong Label Up by Isa kasi business to clients, to consumers, ganyan. Yung Shekan PH, business to business. So, ito, mas alam ng Label Up by Isa, yung market for end users. So, yung mga new colors ng ribbons, dito nang gagaling sa Label Up by Isa, yung mga sizes, ganyan, yung mga hinahanap here in the Philippines based on our experience. So, ito yung suggested prices namin for the products, but since ang topic ko is graduation ribbons, ito yung binibigay namin sa mga clients namin. So, ribbon with print, 7 pesos per piece. Ribbon with print and logo header, it's 13 pesos per piece. Ribbon with print and tassel, it's 11 per piece. Ribbon with print, logo, and tassel, 16 pesos per piece. So, ayan siya. If may questions on how to market and magkano yung suggested retail pricing, check nyo lang po here sa Label Up by Isa na page. Tapos, ito yung mga available ribbons namin yan. If you need for marketing materials, tapos ribbon printer buyer namin kayo, just ask our operations personnel. Bibigay naman po sila. Going back with my Shekan ribbon printing calendar po, ayan, sa March, so yung graduation ribbon, tatagal siya hanggang July. Pero ang peak niya yata, if I'm not mistaken, April or May. Depende pa rin kasi sa sa weather, ganyan. Tapos, pag May, hindi ganun ka yung customized ribbons, pero malakas din po yung sash for Flores de Mayo. And then, June, mga pang-wedding. August, yan na, nag-start. Sabi nila yung August daw is ghost month. From my experience with Shekan, medyo hindi. Kasi sa ribbon printing kasi madami kaming clients na nagre-ready na ng stocks for September and for the Burman's demand. So, sa August pa lang, even with label of Baisa customized ribbons, medyo okay na yung sales. Tapos, for September, pageant sash na naman, start na naman ng mga UL o kaya mga Teacher's Day. Malakas na naman yung customized ribbons. By October, yan, yung peak ng United Nations. November, December, January, yan po yung peak season yan po yung peakest season ng ribbon printing business, lalo na kapag November 15 to December 15. Aside sa ubusan na ng stocks here sa Shekan PH, ano na yan, kaliwat kanan na yung mga pa-orders namin ng customized ribbons, lalo na ng holiday ribbons. So, if you want to start a ribbon printing business, make sure to have this ribbon printing calendar para alam nyo po yung which ima-market nyo by this month. So, for graduation ribbons, March to June yung demand niya. Perfect partner siya with Chicken Crafts die cutting machine. Kasi yung Chicken Crafts, meron siyang specific collection for ribbon printing needs. May mga graduation headers kami doon. So, ipapass mo lang, ididikit mo lang, mas easier na sa paggawa ng graduation ribbons. Kasi among all the products of ribbon printing projects, medyo ang pinakamatrabaho is yung graduation ribbons. Pero medyo okay din naman yung margin. Yan. Next is yung holiday ribbons. Ang printing time ng Leden pala guys is 15 to 20 minutes kung tuloy-tuloy na printing, walang medyo hassle. Tapos ang print speed niya is 4 to 5 inches per second. So mabilis siya compared to other dun sa competitor brand na meron kaming machine. So holiday ribbon, September to January, yung ribbons demand. Yung sash season, kalat-kalat siya. February, may prom season, May, Flores de Mayo, September, pageant sash, October, United Nations. Malaki din yung kita with sash season. Medyo, lang, ito yung masakit sa likod kasi dapat nakatayo ka. Mag-print. Yan. Next is yung mga all year round demand na products. So, ito ay yung mga clothing labels. We have clients na mga clothing businesses na bulk orders sila with Label of Baisa. They were partnered with us. Tapos may gift wrap. May mga business na focus sila with gift wrapping or focus sila with their packaging. Yan. And yung wedding, syempre yung wedding ribbons, all year round naman kasi lagi namang may kinakasal. So, for wedding, ang daming gamit ng customized ribbons. Pwedeng wedding band, pwedeng for invitations, pwedeng for souvenirs ng mga ninong-ninang, ganyan. So, ayan. So, for the Shekan clothing labels, yung Shekan clothing labels, dati nag-start lang kami with nylon taffeta. Pero parang last year, mas lalo siyang dumami. Etong Shekan clothing labels, iba po yung consumables niya with the regular pang ribbon printing business. Pero available din naman siya sa Shekan. Ang best foil for this is yung washable foils. Yung washable foils, kamukha man siya nung regular foils namin, pero iba yung contents niya. Yung contents ng washable foil is made for hanggang 100 plus washing, ganyan. So, for clothing labels, we offer 3 kinds of washable labels. Si nylon taffeta. Ito, mas often na ginagamit here sa batok tsaka sa gilid. It is made sa polyamide fiber with special coating para maganda yung print result and tearable quality siya. Guys, may nabibiling local na nylon taffeta. If yun yung local po yung gagamitin natin, tapos hindi fit yung Shekan washable foils, again, we're not liable pag hindi Shekan consumables yung gagamitin natin. Kasi we can only speak with our products and with our brand And yung quality ng nylon taffeta and nung washable foils, compatible with each other pag check and consumables. Next, if ayaw naman ng durable quality ng client, we also offer yung satin ribbons like na etiketa. Etong UV satin ribbons, if familiar po kayo with Uniqlo, ganyan, though si Uniqlo, ang gamit niya is double edge na UV satin ribbons. Si UV satin ribbons, cut edge lang siya, pero same sila ng texture with the Uniqlo. So, ito up to 100 times washes and non-tearable quality siya kasi yung quality niya is pang satin ribbons talaga. And if you have, gusto mo mas high-end, hindi tearable, stretchable pa, mas recommended namin with the TPU labels. Yung TPU labels, available siya in transparent, white, and black color. Tapos, usually, ginagamit siya sa mga swimsuits, spandex, mga dry fit na mga clothing labels. Yung nylon and UV satin ribbons, white lang po ang current available namin. Pero we're improving this collection pa. So, for the TPU black, yung TPU medyo okay na siya. May 3 uri na siya. So, ayan, again, we recommend to use check and consumable sa lead and ribbon printing namin to achieve max result. So, ito na, yung debunking ribbon printing myths. Actually, hindi naman to myths. Kaya lang, parang ang daming nagki-claim na mga dumaan na clients sa amin na ang understanding nila is ganito. So, medyo may mga ibang hindi po. Pero i-clear ko na at this point. So, kunyari, local ribbons. Yung may client kami, we had an experience na yung client namin. Though sinabihan namin na iba po kasi talaga yung second ribbons. Yung ribbons namin, it's made for thermal transfer printing. Yung local ribbons na available sa market, medyo malalaki yung himulmul niya. Pag nag-print po kayo with that kind of ribbons, pwede naman sa leaden. Kaya lang, hindi nyo ma-achieve yung quality na gusto nyo. Or, yung quality is, ito yung standard, medyo lower siya sa standard. Kasi hindi maganda yung klase ng ribbons. So, if you'll ask us, can I use local ribbons? Yes po, pwede po. Pero, here sa Shekan, we cannot guarantee the print result na yung print result ng local ribbons is as high quality nung Shekan consumables. Again, Shekan ribbons po is made for thermal transfer printing. Shekan page is not liable po na paggagamit kayo ng non-Shekan consumables is high quality yung print. Kahit ano pong settings ang gawin natin with the local ribbons, yun na lang po talaga yung quality niya. It's up to you kung ganun nyo siya i-market si local ribbons. Pero kung mag-market ka na lang din lang, mas madali po mag-market ng high quality products. Ang hirap mag-market ng medyo hindi magandang quality. Trust me on that. Nag-try na kami ng local, nag-market ng local way back 2 to 3 years ago, and ang dami kong nakuhang negative results. That's why si Sheka nag-stock up po talaga ng madaming ribbons kasi ayaw din naman namin na kami yung binabalikan ng clients namin na pangit yung quality ng print nila. So, ayun. Again, pag hindi po sa amin quality, hindi po namin ribbons, hindi po namin consumables, hindi po kami liable for the print result. Next question, can I use other foils? Yung foils for ribbon printing is resin foil siya dedicated for thermal transfer printing. Maraming foils sa market, pero iba yung foils na ginagamit for ribbon printing business. So, yung Shekan foils is specifically made siya for thermal transfer printing. May foils na tinatawag na hot stamping machine. We had another client na trinay ang hot stamping machine. What happened is, kinain nung printer head ng leaden, yung hot stamping, tapos medyo nasunog yung part ng printer head. And dahil hindi Shekan consumable yung ginamit niya, we're not liable dun sa sira ng printer head. What happened is, we had to replace the printer head ng client kasi nasira na hindi namin consumables. So, ano lang yan, parang kagaya ng Epson pag gumamit ng other inks, pag pigment ink ginamit, void warranty pag gano'n. Pero, it's up to you. Depende naman yan sa risk mo. Pero pag ganun, nasira yung printer, pag within warranty naman, papalitan namin. But kung kagaya nung sa client namin before na nasira yung printer head, hindi po kami liable dun sa pagkasira ng printer head. May fee po yun. Pero libre naman yung repair sa amin and check up. You can ship the ribbon printer. We have repairs naman. So, ayan, question lang po drop your questions. Mamaya may giveaway po tayo. Next, can I buy second consumables even I'm not a printer buyer? Currently, ang answer namin is no. Lalo na, may inaabangan kaming peak season, pero kapag lean season, nagbebenta kami sa mga non-printer buyers po. Currently, no ang answer namin. Kasi nga, yung printer head, compatibilities, yung mga printer po kasi iba-iba yung quality ng printer head. So, yung print quality ng Leden, not necessarily same ng print quality ng other brand like Nmark, ganyan. So, I had an experience. Again, ito pong mga experience ko is galing from negative experience with other clients. May client ako, Nmark user siya. Tapos, nag-buy siya ng Leden sa amin. Dati, nagkikater kami. But after this client, medyo irate siya, medyo rude siya. Pinabalik niya sa amin yung items. Even na sinabi ko na I cannot guarantee po na yung print quality ko ay same sa print quality ng Nmark mo. So, she called me names. That's why from then on, hindi na kami nag-offer ng consumables namin sa non-laden ribbon printer buyer kasi ayaw na namin mag-explain ng ganun kagrabe. So, ayan. We can only speak for our printer brand and our consumables is patented with Leden only. So, hindi ako sure sa ibang printer brand ha. Basta Leden lang po yung brand namin. And then, may nag-question kanina dito eh. Can I use gross grain ribbons on Leden? Yes, ma'am, pwede po. Kaya lang, yung gross grain kasi, textured siya. And yung Leden ribbon printer namin is satin ribbon printer po. So, for me, hindi ganun ka-okay yung result. Pero pwede naman kung acceptable sa inyo. Medyo maano lang talaga yung gusto kong quality. Medyo gusto ko high quality talaga kasi high quality yung branding namin. So, ayun, sa atin ribbon siya. Again, guys, paulit-ulit po ako kasi nga, paulit-ulit din po namin sinasabi sa mga clients namin na pag hindi second PH, ang consumables, hindi galing sa amin, hindi kami liable for the print quality. So, ayan. Ito yung samples ng gross grain. Kung okay na po sa inyo ganyan i-market, pwede naman. Kayo pong bahala, brand nyo naman po yun. Pero for me, ako, ay satin ribbons lang po talaga ang minamarket namin. So, ito ang print quality with second ribbons. Ito ang print quality with local ribbons. If you see, may mga smudge-smudge po yan or may mga makakapal na part. Ibig sabihin po niya, napunit na yung foil sa sobrang init ng density. Yung density po, yun yung hardness ng printer dun sa ano. Kahit mataas yung density, pag ang quality po talaga ng ribbons natin na hindi masyadong okay, wala talaga. Mahirap po talaga yan. Like ito, recently, meron akong 29 Michelle, Supreme, Arrow. Ito po yung quality. Trinay ko na yung mga settings na pwedeng itry kong settings. Ang layo po niya talaga sa ribbons namin. Kasi nga, yung ribbons ng Shekan is made for thermal transfer printing technology. Again, Shekan PH po is not liable for the print quality ng mga non-Shekan consumables. Question from Mac. Good PM po. How much po ang print head and usually ilang years maglalast before the replacement? If I'm not mistaken, ma'am, 9K po yata yung print head. How usually ilang years naglalast before replacement? Depende sa dami ng print. Pero malalaman nyo po na hindi na okay ang inyong printer head kapag nagpapachi-pachi na siya. Kasi hindi na siya nakuha sa punas-punas. Pero based on my experience, good for 2. Marami po kasi kami piniprint. Like we print thousands of rolls every month. So, nasa 2 years yung mga printers namin sa Label of Baisa. So, ayan. Pag sinunod naman po yung mga ano namin, yung mga suggested care instructions, magla-last naman po siya. So, ayan. Ito yung quality for local. Ayan, pag dumidikit po ganyan, ibig sabihin mataas yung density. Ganyan lang po talaga yung quality with the local. Unlike sa second ribbons, tuloy-tuloy ang printing. Local ribbons, even metallic gold, patchy-patchy po ang print, hindi po talaga okay. Unlike sa second ribbons, buong-buo yung print. It's up to you na lang kung gusto mo mag-offer ng high quality or ng medyo hindi okay na quality. Depende yan. Kasi kami, here sa Label Up, we invest in high quality products, high quality consumables. Madali siyang i-market and bumabalik-balik talaga yung mga clients namin because high quality yung ina-offer namin. For second ribbons po, ito yung mga ina-offer naming colors. Actually, it's not updated na kasi nasa 40 plus na po yung second ribbons namin. And yung colors pa lang, 40 plus na. And then available siya in different sizes. May half inch, 3/4, 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inch, 70 mm or 3 inches less. And etong 80 mm or 3 inches less. So, ayan po yung mga available namin. And then yung chicken foils, it's for this, ng basic foils lang po ang available. We have, we have special foils pa in gold and silver shades. Yan. So, where to buy? Dito po sa website namin na www.chickenph. Ngayon, we have distributors po all over the Philippines. Ito po yung distributors directory namin. You can buy products from them. Nandito po yung details. Let's say, random picking lang po ako ng call the order. Ayan. Pag pinindot nyo siya, located siya in Parañaque. Makikita na siya kaaga. Nakakonect na po yung Facebook nila. Dito sa distribution list namin. So, ayan, check nyo lang po. And then, reminder nga po pala sa aming mga patrons before buying a ribbon printer. So, meron nagpunta sa shop just last week. 2023 niya nabili yung LG 920 model niya. Pumunta siya sa shop, magpapapalit for a 300 DPI. Pumayag ba kami? Siyempre, hindi po. Kahit sabihin mo na hindi naman siya nagamit, how will we know na hindi nyo siya nagamit, di ba? Wala namang number dun sa printer. Kasi, nag-change kayo ng market. Prior we ship your items po sana. Yung consumables, okay lang papalit-palit eh. Pero yung ribbon printer model, hindi po namin ina-allow ang change of mind or exchange. Hindi po yan. Basta nalabas na po sa amin and you're asking nicely, siguro mga 2 days na naming nalabas, pwede pa siguro yun. Kaya lang pag ganong 2023 pa na, Diyos ko naman, kahit sa naman kayo makahanap na printer supplier, wala naman talagang ganun. Kung meron, siguro pwede trade-off. Pero we're not offering trade-off. Yan. And then next reminder po is for our second-hand unit buyers. Pwede po kayo mag-buy sa mga second-hand unit. Kaya lang, yung re-tutorial from scratch is depende po sa availability ng operations personnel and kung tatanggapin po nila. For second-hand unit buyers kasi, I think we have the right na mamili kung i-re-tutorial po namin. Kasi yung re-tutorial po, it takes 1 to 2 hours ng time namin. And yung operations personnel po namin, lalo na yung regular team, they were handling hundreds of clients every month. Parang, ang bigat naman yata kung magdadagdag pa sila ng re-tutorial for second-hand unit buyers. So we suggest na kapag nag-tutorial po yung mga operations personnel namin, mag-record po tayo. Kasi, at least may babalik-balikan po tayo. Unlike, pag second-hand unit, hindi po talaga namin makikater lahat. And then, ito po, nung nakaraang month lang, may nagpuntang client. Medyo rude siya to begin with and namimilit siya ng package na gusto niya, na gusto na inclusion niya, tapos kami yung mag-a-adjust. Again, our packages, nilabas siya, dadaan siya sa marketing, dadaan siya sa mga operations, dadaan siya sa inventory. Hindi siya basta-bastang process na gusto mo ito. To the point na ako na yung nakikipag-usap with him and he was belittling me. Minamalit niya po ako. Okay lang. Pero ang hindi ko matanggap is sumisigaw-sigaw siya within the shop. We value respectful and constructive interactions with our clients. Pero kung ganung klaseng client na naninigaw na with our staff, tapos hindi niya maintindihan yung processes and etc. namin, I think we reserve the right to discontinue working with clients who engage in rude or disrespectful behavior. Umabot ako sa point na nagsisigawan kami. Yes po. Nagsisigawan kami and hindi namin siya binentahan. Like, sinabihan ko yung staff namin na, no, hindi mo siya bebentahan. And syempre, as the owner, ako po yung masusunod. Kung pupunta ka lang doon para magsigaw-sigaw ng staff ko, please, wag na lang po sa amin kayo bumili. Madami, I can refer you to other ribbon printer sellers. Kami po here sa Shekan, we do not tolerate rude buyers. So, ayan. Sana po, pag pupunta po kayo, nice naman po. Kasi pare-parehas lang naman po natin ang gusto ng tahimik na buhay. Less stressful. And then, ito na po yung pinakaabangan ng lahat. Sample costing tayo with customized ribbons with Check and PH. May ginawa akong parang cheat sheet for regular rolls. Itong cheat sheet na to, pwede nyo pong hingiin. Like, sa first sheet niya, may price list. Ito siya, yung price list ng current buyers namin. Pwede nyo siyang hingiin sa mga operations personnel namin. Tapos kasama na tong cheat sheet. Let's say, ang i-costing ko is itong nasa picture ng Label Lab Baisa. 246 rolls siya ng purple ribbons in black ink. 20mm to. So, ayan. Ika-costing ko yung cost of goods. Kunyari, foil details, foil color, black yung ink niya eh. Mali yung foil po, yun po yung ink ng ribbon printing. Tapos yung foil size, since ang ginamit ko po dito, siguro 80mm siya. 80mm. And then yung foil length, 200 meters. Saan ko nakuha yung 80mm by 200 meters? Nandito lang siya sa price list po. Price list ng foils, let's say, basic foils, black na 80mm by 200. If nakikita nyo po ito, laki ko. Ayan. 1,350. This one. 80mm by 200mm na black. 1,350. Sana. Tapos, ito siya. Cheat niya. Kita na ba? Ito yung ano ko, i-costing ko. So, yung foil price niya is 1,350. Ang foil color, again, is black. Foil size is 80mm. Yung foil size po is yung pinaka-height. Foil length is 200 meters. Foil price is 1,350. Ang yields po nito, saan nyo makikita ang yields? Nandito sa baba. So, ang gamit kong ribbons is 20mm. Ang gamit kong foils is 80. 4 times width times length siya. So, 4 times 200 meters, 4 din siya. Kasi yung ribbons natin is 50 yards lang po. Then yung foil length natin is 200 meters. So, 20mm na ribbons, ginamitan ng 80mm na foils width, 4 yung width capacity niya, times 4 kasi yung haba nung ribbons is times 4 sa haba nung foils length. So, 4 times 4. Sa isang foils ng 80mm by 200 na black, nagkakahalaga ng 150. Ang kasyang isang perasong foil, ang kasyang ribbon sa kanya is 16 na 20mm. Gigets nyo po? Ito na, Ma'am T, nagsa-sample costing na po ako. So, ito yung sample costing natin. Itong 6 rolls of purple. So, ang price ng per 50 yards of ribbons is, so, 1,350 divided by 16. Ang cost per print lang po ng ink na to is nasa 85 pesos. 84.37. Yung 80 mm po na foils, malaki siya. Good for 16 rolls na po siya ng 20 mm na foils, na or 3/4 na foils. So, sa ribbon details, yung ribbon size, ribbon size po nito is 20 mm or 3/4 inch. Tapos, ribbon color, purple, ribbon price, based dito sa cheat sheet natin, or dito na lang ako titingin sa shop. Ang 20 mm cost po is 115. Ito siya. So, pag 20 mm na purple, pare-pares lang naman ng price yan. Kasi yung purple, light purple. Ito. 100. Ito, 115 siya. So, 115. So, ayan. Ang cost per ribbon po natin dito is 131 pesos lang tong isa. If susundin po natin ang selling price ng Label Up by Isa, ito siya, dito siya magpo-fall. 6 rolls ng 3/4, 550 per roll. Tapos, going back with my costing calculator, so, ang total sale natin is 550 times 6. For this picture na 6 rolls, 3,300 namin binenta. Ang cost of goods namin is 131 per roll. So, ta-times pa to ng 6. Wait lang. Tama ba? 84 plus 115. Yeah, kaya pala mali. D8. Ayan. So, ang cost per roll nito, mali po ako kanina, hindi 130. 199. So, halos 200 pesos ang cost of goods mo. So, sa 6 na piraso, mamumunan ka ng less than 1,200. You can sell it for 3,300. So, ang total margin mo is 2,100. Pero kung isasama mo yung consumption ng electricity, shipping fees, and other expenses like bumili ka ng mga products, dito mo siya ilalagay sa expenses. Ang cost lang po ng per hour ng ating ribbon printer is 3 to 4 pesos per hour, 60 watts siya. So, let's say na i-print mo to ng 3 hours, so 9 pesos. Shipping fees, let's say 80. And other expenses, let's say may conservative kang 200. So, ito sa So, ayan. Ito yung total margin mo for 6 rolls. Ang print capacity, ang printing time nito is let's say 15 to 20 minutes per roll. So, ganyan po kadaling mag-market with, ganyan po kadali yung kitaan sa ribbon printing business. So, itong cheat sheet na to, pwede nyo po siyang hingiin with our operations personnel. Chat lang po kayo sa page. Now, going back with my presentation. Naintindihan niyo po yung explanation ko. Going back with my explanation. So, for this March, ang mabenta is yung graduation ribbons. Ito po yung suggested selling price namin based on sa Label Up by Isa pricing. Print only, 7 pesos per piece. Print with logo header, 13 pesos per piece. Ribbon print with tassel, 11 pesos per piece. Pag buong set with tassel to, 16 pesos per piece. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko earlier ng ribbon header na magagawa nyo with Shekan Crafts. So, pag nag-buy ka ng Shekan ribbon printer, tapos ng Shekan Crafts die cutting machine, may promo yata may promo ba for ribbon printer buyers? Like 1,000 off. Hindi ko sure kung may promo po. Pero, pasabi po dito sa Second Crops, wala na daw po pala. Tapos na po pala yung bundle sale. So, anyways, moving on. For graduation ribbons, ito mas malaki yung kitaan. Dito sa cheat sheet calculator ko, ayan, may price list, yung first page price list, yung costing sheet, second page, yung cheat sheet for graduation ribbons, third page siya. Pwede nyo po siyang hingiin with my team. Gawa lang po kayo ng copy. So, kunyari, file details mo, ito nag-sample na kasi ako kanina. Let's say, ito ang gagawin natin. 38 mm na ribbon, graduation ribbon. Ang foil size po na gagamitin dyan is 50 mm. Yung foil price is 1,300. Pero yung length po nito is 200 meters na. So, since ang ribbons natin is 50 yards, ang kasyang ribbon sa 200 meters is roughly 4 rolls. More than 4 rolls actually. So, ang cost of foils na gastos mo sa foils for 50 yards na ribbon is 325 pesos per roll na yan ng 38 mm na ribbons. So, let's say ang ribbons mo is 38 mm or 1.5 inch. Sa ribbon printing po kasi mm ang price. Mm ang base ng measurement. Tapos, ito yung sample ko, yung loyalty. Green is, yung 38 mm na 50 yards na green is 250 pesos. So, ang cost total cost of goods mo ng one roll of 38 mm na 50 yards is 575 pesos per roll. Let's say, yung other expenses mo, print mo siya ng 1 hour. So, let's say 4 pesos lang. Yung electricity. Shipping fees mo, let's say 80. Other expenses, conservative na 200. Hula ko lang po yung 200 para lang may room for mistake. So, ang cost of goods mo is 575. Kung susundin po natin ang pricing ng Label Up by Isa for 1.5 inch, customized big ribbons, ayan. Ang selling price po namin ng one roll is 950 pesos based on this post. So, kung 950 pesos ang total sale, may margin kang 91 kung ibebenta mo siya per roll. Kasi sa ribbon printing po, per piece ang bentahan. Like, ang mamumuhunas sa 38 eh. Kung 38 mm times yung ribbon length mo is 50 yards, ang conversion ng 1 yard is equals to 36 inches. Ang haba ng graduation ribbons is roughly 7 to 8 inches. So, ang isang roll mo ng 38 mm na 50 yards na ribbons, it generates around 225 pieces na graduation ribbon in one roll. Kung isusundin mo yung pricing namin na 7 pesos per roll, kasi magugupit ka pa, etc. Yung puhunan mong 100, yung puhunan mong, asan yung total expenses, cost of goods? Puhunan mo 575, you can generate hanggang 1,575. Matrabaho lang po yung graduation ribbons, pero mas malaki yung kita sa kanya. So, ayan. Tuturuan naman po kayo ng mga operations personnel namin sa proper costing. Or you can rewatch this video, i-upload ko naman po siya. Next, on my slide. Malinaw po ba? 11 views. So, ayan. If you're asking if meron kaming wholesale or retail, ganyan-ganyan, we have distribution model po or institutional clients. Same lang naman po yung distribution ng institutional clients. Kaya lang, yung distributors namin, depende sa kanila kung magbebenta sila ng raw materials. Yung institutional clients, hindi sila nagbebenta ng raw materials. Usually, yung institutional clients namin, sila yung mga brands na malalaking brands na gusto ng discounts sa namin, sa products namin. Currently po, sa Shekan PH, we have 42 distributors nationwide. Ang purpose po, initially ng distribution program namin is may mga nag-i-stock ng items within their location para mas mabilis ang shipment. Pero makukuha nila yung products namin at 20 to 40% discount. Mostly nasa 30%. So, may program updates kami with the distribution program. We have now Shecoin and cashback program for Shekan PH only. Tapos we have new product line, tapos mas madali na lang yung process, and we updated the terms and condition. Where to see the list of Shekan distributors? Nandito lang po siya sa website namin. So, drop down lang po kayo, distributors directory. Nakakonect na po yung Facebook ng ating mga distributors here. Dito na po sila pwedeng tawagan. Kunyari, ito si The Little Prince. Active po ang status ni The Little Prince. And ito yung contact, ito yung email. Si Ma'am Cleo yung owner. Ayan. Tapos pwede mo siyang makontak here. Connected na siya sa website, ay sa Facebook ni distributors. Yung namin, yung website namin. So, going back with my presentation, ayan, one-stop shop. Usually, yung mga distributors namin, meron kaming designated team for distribution team. You can contact our distribution team at 0961-534-3295 or inquiries.shekantradingcorp@gmail.com or mag-message lang po tayo sa page namin na Shekan PH. They have access din naman dyan. Kung gusto nyo ng distribution details, distribution or institutional, same lang naman po yun. So, from step 1 to step 5, i-guide po nila kayo. So, magkano ang package ng distribution ng Shekan? Currently po is 128,888. And Shekan PH products lang po ito. Initial inventory na worth Shekan PH. Ribbon printing, hindi po kasali yung Shekan Crafts here. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung name, trademark, and logos ng product. Nagbibigay kami ng monthly digital collaterals. Ang ano po nito is product margin is nasa 20 to 40%, average of 30%, and we have after sales service. Tapos, we offer rewards and cashback program here. And then, unlike sa regular printer buyers namin, meron nagko-call last time if pwede bang ibalik yung other items na nabili pa noong 2024 May. For regular printer buyers, it's a no. Pero kapag distributor, institutional clients po namin kayo, pwedeng magbalik ng mga product na non-moving items on your third reorder. So, ayan, pwede magbalik on your third reorder. Pagkano ba yung minimum amount? For the third reorder, it's minimum of 25,000 per order po. Tapos, may free delivery pa yata yan. And then, mabilis lang mag-ship yung distribution team namin. Tapos, pag same day, I think pag same day, minsan kasi hindi kaya ng team na same day eh. So, pag hindi siya same day, we have 1,000 free delivery. Tapos, yung mga non-moving products, distributors lang yung pwedeng magbalik. Paano yung process? Just message our team ng Shekan PH Distribution. Ayan. Ito po yung details ng Shekan ng distribution team, 0961-534-3295 or email them at inquiries@shekantradingcorp@gmail.com or message lang po sa Facebook page namin para mas madali. Tapos ito yung mga products na pwede nyo. Basta as long as Chicken PH products. Yung Chicken PH po may stamping business, pwede siyang kasal sa distribution program. Depende po sa gusto nyo. And then, usually, ito po yung napansin namin sa mga distributors namin. Sino-sino ba sila? Most of our distributors or yung mga institutional accounts is they were someone who want to label up their baking, pastry, flower shop, printing, gifts, and souvenirs business. So, may existing business na sila, i-upgrade na lang nila. Gusto lang nila ng mas malawak na market. Or someone who wants to upscale their existing ribbon printing business. Actually, yung first 8 namin na distributors, 6 doon, they have already existing ribbon printing business na. And proven and tested na nila na yung market ng ribbon printing business is malaki talaga. Tapos naka-ROI ka agad, most of them naka-ROI ka agad within 2 months. Dun sa, existing ribbon printing. Tapos in-upscale lang nila para lang mas malaki yung tubo nila. And then yung products naman ng Chicken Page, hindi naman siya madaling masira. Yung foils, wala naman, after 2 years mo siyang buksan, saka lang siyang masisira. Basta may proper storage ka lang. And then, hello po. Demo lang po ako, ma'am. Pero sige, nagde-demo lang po ako, sorry. Pero pwede naman po. So, ayan, yung distributors po namin, call po nila kung magbebenta sila ng local ng products within their area, ng raw materials ng Shekan within their area. Pero, hindi naman po namin nire-require lahat ng distributors na magbenta within the area. Basta kung gusto nila, go. Kung hindi naman, okay lang din naman with us. Tapos, ang maganda po with our distribution, we have cashback program. Yung cashback program po is available siya palagi. So, per achievement, meron kang may rewards. So, sa first achievement mo, ng pag-order sa website namin, may 1,000 kang Shecoins ang tawag po namin. Yung Shecoins, good as cash siya. Kung 1,000 yung Shecoins, so 1,000, worth 1,000 din po siya. Yung second achievement, pag naka-third reorder ka, worth 25,000 within the same quarter, may 3,000 Shecoin points ka. And pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime you want. Basta within 3 months yata or 4 months. And then yung third naman, on your fourth reorder, may 7,000 worth of Shecoins ka. Basta within the same quarter. And then per quarter, may tinatawag kaming Shekan Points Program. Top 3 distributors, dinidisclose namin sa page. Itong top 3 na to, meron silang gifts from Shekan. It's either products or money or amount of products na gusto nila. Last time yung top 1 namin, parang label rewinder. So ayan, Q&A po tayo bago mag-giveaway. Meron po kayong questions? Ayan, may question pala. Good day po, yung wash key label po ba ng mga shirts na ribbon printer po ginagawa? Newbie on printing industry and we're planning to buy para kami na rin po ang gagawa ng labels. Sir J, yes po. Actually, you can ask my team for yung samples ng nylon, UV, and satin ribbons. Ang pinagkaiba lang naman po ng clothing labels sa regular ribbons is, bukod sa quality, is yung foils lang naman. So, ayan. Good PM. How much po ang print hand? Question from Ma'am Joris. Sa after-sale service, in case for repair ang machine, paano po ang process and how much po yung usual payment? May pumupunta pong technician. Ma'am Joris, you need to ship the printer back to us. Tapos, within 2 to 3 days, i-check po siya ng repairman namin. And we will update you po if anong sira. Kung yung sira po is made for parang factory defect, libre po siya. Pero kapag ang sira is motherboard, mga ganyan, dahil ng short circuit, depende po sa sira siya ng printer. Ma'am, may order ako. Ask ko lang po na ship na po ba through JRS Courier po? Question from Ma'am Rowen. Pick up ko na lang po sana, ma'am. Saan po ang location dito sa first? For, Ma'am Rowena, wala, chat niyo po yung page namin, ma'am. Kasi ang operations po, yung operations personnel po yung may hawak. Ako po ay taga-live lang po. For Palawan, ma'am, wala pa po kaming distributor sa Palawan. Baka gusto niyo po, ma'am, chat niyo na lang po kami. From Ma'am Ninet, good afternoon po. How much po ang fee for distributors? Ma'am Ninet, ang entry price po namin is 128,888. Color ay parang consumables of your choice po. So, isi-share ko na lang din po ito. Pag graduate, we have available graduation package sa distributor. So, 30,000 na siya. So, 128 minus 30,000, nasa 90,000 na lang. Magde-decide ka na lang kung anong gusto mo, kung printer ba, stamp package ba. Pero, our team will assist you naman kung ano pong gusto nyo. And then, pwede nyo pong isoli yung product sa amin within third time ng pag-reorder nyo worth 25,000. Ang maganda po kasi with ribbon printing ngayon, ang entry mo is graduation ribbons. Kung marami po kayong clients na mga schools, mabilis po ang ROI nyo, lalo na kung magma-market po kayo ng graduation. Question from Ma'am Tin. Ayan, next na chika ko na to eh. Parang, hello ma'am, pwede po pa ipoy ng gross skin thanks. Parang, okay naman siya ma'am, pero hindi ko bet. Pwede siguro kung hindi ko bet, pwede siya pero hindi ko bet. So, medyo maano lang ako, maselan lang ako sa quality. Question from Kalmado Motovlog. How much po yung ribbon printer machine? Depende sir sa package sa model, pero it starts with 24,399. Again, ang model po namin is 6 po yung models. Magmamatter lang naman siya yung price kung anong gusto mong model, and para makapag-choose ka ng gusto mong model is tatanungin mo si self kung anong gusto mong print quality, kung high quality ba or yung pang sash, or and ano yung gadget na gamit mo. Kung Windows po, I suggest LG 920 or LG 930. Pero yung LG 930 yung bestseller po talaga namin. Yung mataas po na quality na printing na siya. Okay. Sige, hanggang 3:10 po, mag-entertain ako ng questions. Bestseller namin, Sir Paul, is LG 930. Yun po yung usual gamit namin here sa Shekan. LG 930 talaga. Ayan na, press 1 po kapag mag-giveaway na tayo. Press 1 po, giveaway. Pasok lang po. Teka nga, press 1 po for giveaway. Teka lang, quick break lang po, 1 minute lang. Yan. Giveaway. Paka-uwi. Sorry po. So, ayan. Question po. Sa Palawan. Wala pa kaming ma'am sa Palawan. LG 930, 28,399 yata. Or 28,000. Basta mga mga 28,000 plus. 1. Okay, moving on. So, i-compare ko pala yung price ng ng distributor sa retail price. Let's say, etong foil namin na black, 620. Pag distributor po kayo, pwede nyo siyang makuha at basic foil. Ito, pwede nyo siyang makuha at ang black na 30 by 200 at 434 pesos. So, ang regular price namin is 620. So, nasa 40%. 434 din. 434 siya. Ang white naman po namin na 30 by 200. 800. Pag distributor po namin kayo, 680 pesos. Pag dark blue, dark pink, dark pink, ang 30 mm, 620 ang retail price. Pag wholesale, 434 na lang. For the ribbons, mas mura. Mas mura talaga pag distributor po. Kasi ang aim po talaga nito is may mag-stock within their area para mas mabilis makater yung mga regular printer buyers namin. So far, it works. Pati yung mga institutional brands, institutional namin. So, if you want discount, wholesale, we suggest na mag-distribution institutional po kayo. Pero if you want to be a regular buyer, okay lang naman din po with us. Pero ang discounts noon, medyo limited lang. Kapag may promo lang ang page, may promo lang ang business. And hindi po pwede magbalik. Unlike pag distributor, pwede kang magbalik ng items on your third reorder. Kahit yung order mong yun, let's say nag-order ka February 2024, and March 2025, di mo pa rin siya nabibenta, pwede kang magbalik ng items sa amin. And yung pagbabalik ng items sa amin, bahala po kayo kung magkano. Basta ang shipping noon, papunta at pabalik. Sagot niyo po. Ayan, ni-net up. How much po yung ribbon printer machine? Ano po bestseller? Original 30. Ayan na. Ay, 1. Lastly po, para saan po yung foil? Ma'am Joris, yung foil po is ink. Yun po ang tawag namin sa ink. Foil. Ink and foil, same lang po. 1. Ayan na. Meron na po sa Camarines Sur. Camarines Sur. Hindi ko lang po sure, sir, kung meron na sa Camarines. Check nga natin. Camarines. Pero ang sure ko, sa Bicol area, may mga 4 po yung active naming ribbon printer. Pero sila, yung isa is more of weddings, mga invitations, ganyan. Yun po yung idea ng distribution talaga. Mas mura mong makukuha yung product, tapos pwede mong i-cater yung mga chicken printer buyers within your area. Tapos, pag distributors po kasi kayo, tapos 10% nag-sale ang head office kami, pag nag 10% off po kami, pwede nyo pa siyang makuha. Pero, let's say, ang distribution, 30% off na. Makukuha mo lang ang 10% pag nagbenta ka ng second products and in-avail nila yung 10% off. Yung pag nag-sale ang head office, it's up to you kung gagaya po kayo sa 10% or hindi. Pero ang ginagawa ng head office, binabalik po namin sa distributors yung nakuhang 10% ng client. Let's say, may umorder sa inyo worth 10,000, so 10% nun, 1,000. Yung 1,000 na yon, it's either product discount or product worth 1,000. Ganun po ang ginagawa naming sale for distributors. Para lang din ma-market nila yung raw materials nila. So, ayun. Thank you. Question. Kaka-purchase ko pa lang po last week ng printer. But will wait pa dumating yung item. I need proper demo how to operate. Medyo mabilisan lang kasi yung visit ko sa store niya. Ma'am Ninit, don't worry ma'am. Pag dumating yung machine sa inyo, one of our operations personnel po will guide you step by step, one-on-one via Viber. Tapos only tanong po. Tuturuan po nila hanggang makapag-print po kayo on your own. So, madali lang naman siya, ma'am. Pero, if you want, yung after sales po talaga ng Shekan, lalo na kapag nice yung client, talaga kami, mabait din po talaga kami. Wag lang po talaga kami sisigaw-sigawan, ganyan. Medyo natitrigger po kasi ako pag ganyan. Kaya na, 1. Thank you. Ma'am Joyce, thank you din po. Moving on. Q&A, tapos na. Ito na, question number 1. Magko-question na tayo, ha? Grabe yan. Sige. Question number 1. Ito na, ready na. Ang giveaway is 500 pesos off ng Shekan products or 500 to 1,000. Depende siya sa question. Grabe si Arlie, no? Naka-antabay, no? Distributors, pwede pong sumali. 500 distributor, second crafts buyers, pwede pong sumali. Second products po ito. So, pag sinabing second products, pwedeng crafts, pwedeng second, pwedeng die cutting, pwedeng ribbon printer, pwedeng basta 500. Question number 1. Uy, mag-take down notes ka kung sino yung mga winner natin, ha? Ayan na. Question number 1. Name the best ribbon printer brand in PH. Brand ko. Ay, hindi siya Nmark, hindi siya brand ko. Name the ribbon printer brand. You may win 500 pesos off na second products. Wala pang sumasagot. Name the best. Ayan, name the best. Ano pa? 500 na second products, ha? Hindi nakalagay naman sa baba yung ano eh. Brand, ma'am. Brand. Name. Name the best. Wala pang Best ribbon brand po. Brand po. Leden Original 30. And then, ang winner natin is si Rona. Nandito po kasi sa yellow screen eh. At dahil dyan, Rona, hindi ka nakasali sa mas malaki pang products na giveaway. Exit ka na. So, 500 pesos off sa second products. Yung LG 930 po, LG 930 yung best-selling model ng Leden. Pero yung best ribbon printer brand in PH is Leden. I believe siya yung best ribbon printer brand kasi yung after sales na makukuha mo when you buy from us, hassle-free, tapos mabilis mag-ship, madaling makontak yung online support, madaming consumables na pwedeng mabili. So I believe Shekan po yung nag-offer ng best ribbon printer brand. Hindi siya brand ko, ha? So, ayan. Question number 2. Ready na po ba? Question number 2, 500 pesos off din po ulit to ng Shekan products. So, as of March 8, 2025, the Shekan PH sells consumables to non-Leden ribbon printer buyers po ba? Yes or no? And why? Wow! Excuse me po. Nagbebenta po ba ang Shekan sa mga non-Leden ribbon printer buyers? No? Yes? Si Ma'am Ninet. Ayan, si Ma'am Ninet. 500 off Shekan products. Yes po, currently no. Minsan yes eh. Minsan yes, pero mas mahal mo siyang makukuha. Again po, pag Leden ribbon printer buyer namin, nag-buy kayo ng Shekan, wala po kayong problema with the consumables, after sales, tutorial, shipment. Pero pag non-Leden buyer kayo, hindi kayo nag-buy sa amin sa Shekan, syempre, I think we have the right to decline. And yung printer head po kasi nung ibang printer, iba yung printer head ng Leden talaga. So, we cannot speak for other brand. Kaya, tsaka ayoko na din mangyari yung may nagtaray sa akin. dahil hindi compatible. Kahit sinabi na namin na pang Leden lang talaga yung quality namin. So, as of March 8, hindi po kami nagbebenta ng consumables to non-Leden printer buyers. At mas lalong hindi kami nagbibigay ng discount sa mga non-Leden ribbon printer buyers. Again, ang inaalagaan lang po namin is mga printer buyers namin. Question number 3. 500 off ulit. Ayan. Ay, shit. Next question. Name the corporations or business under Shekan Group. Corporation or business name under Shekan Group. Ha? Wala pa mabagal yung seller screen eh. Dalawa lang po yan. Shekan, tsaka Shekan, Sinama ko siya sa question kasi ang daming clients namin, they thought same lang, pero medyo magkaiba po. Yung Label Up by Isa po, ano siya, business under ng isang corporation. So, services siya. Label Up by Isa. Shekan, ano lang siya? Shekan, tsaka Shekan, Yung Label Up by Isa, ano lang siya? Ano ba tawag doon? Under lang po siya ng isa. Shekan PH and Shekan Crafts, Kuya V, you win. 500 pesos off ng Shekan products. Ang bagal mag-reply nung Next, last question na po. Ito, 1,000 pesos. Shekan products, pwedeng Shekan Crafts, pwedeng Shekan PH. What makes Shekan's PH stand out among its competitors? Anong pinagkaiba ni Shekan PH ribbon printing business sa mga competitors niya? Siyempre, hindi lang naman printer yung binibenta namin. We also sell Shekan consumables. Ayan. After sales! Yes! Pinagkaiba po namin is after sales talaga. Si Shekan po, I think may 4 to 5 ribbon printer sellers. Mostly of them, ribbon printer lang meron sila. And then they were using local ribbons. Pag local ribbons kasi, hindi ganun ka-high quality ang print. Again po, pag local ribbons, hindi ganun ka-high quality ang print. Unlike pag Shekan PH consumables, high quality talaga. You can offer local ribbons naman, you can offer high quality prints, pero ang amin lang po here at Shekan, we're not liable for pag hindi maganda yung print quality kasi you're using local ribbons. Pwede naman po, kaya lang again, hindi po kami liable. So, what makes us stand out is yung after sales. Yung operations personnels po namin, mababait naman sila. Again, bilang owner po, sana po, kagaya nyo po, tao lang din kami, we do not entertain rude clients at all costs. We reserve the right to, discontinue working with clients who engage in rude or disrespectful behavior. Pag pumunta po kayo sa shop, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nice clients namin. Yung mga naging rude naming clients na hindi namin binetaan kasi sumisigaw, nanduduro, and nagde-demand sila more than we can give, i-refer ko na lang po kayo sa other ribbon printer, kasi I believe po, here sa Shekan, pag bumili po kayo ng ribbon printer namin, hindi naman natatapos sa pagbili ng products. You're investing as your trust. So, may mga at least 2 weeks or months na interaction. Sana po maging nice po tayo with each other. Kasi, all of us naman, we want a better life, di ba? So, ayan, ending this live. Yung support team po namin, ito po yung mga bumubuo sa Shekan team. So, yung marketing namin in here, marketing, inventory, accounting, lahat. So, ayan po ang aming buong Shekan PH. Again, my name is She, and I'm the owner of Shekan Group. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Tapos if may questions po kayo, let me know na lang po or message na lang po kayo sa page namin. 3:30, I will end this live po. So, for now, I will entertain hanggang 6 questions po. Kung may questions pa. Pero kung wala na, mas better. Mas better, 1 oras na ako nagsasalita. So, ayan. Distribution po, message nyo lang po ang aming distribution team at 0961-534-3295 or inquiries at chicantradingcorp@gmail.com or message po sa Facebook page namin. Kamsur, wala pa. Palawan, wala pa. Yun yung mga problematic naming lugar pa. Yung printer buyers namin, they were buying here pa sa headquarters. Tapos, it takes 7 to 10 days. Pag Palawan, mas malala, mas matagal. So, we're looking for distributors nationwide, lalo na dun sa mga lugar na medyo mahirap ishipan. So, ayan, message nyo lang po ang aming team. So, ayan. 3:30 po, I will end this live. If may questions pa po, let me know lang. Tapos send po kayo ng stars. Send ng stars! Send ng stars. Questions. Ang dami, 134. What makes ribbon printers, what makes us stand out among our competitors? May nag-reply, magandang employee. Sino yan? Sino yung magandang employee? So, ito po ang aming team. Joris, Ma'am Joris, if I'm not going to buy the package, ano po yung dapat bili na initial supplies? Ma'am, ito meron akong ribbon printer calendar. Kasi ito, pakita ko ulit. Ito yung makakaya ng leaden ribbon printer model. So, it's up to you, ma'am, kung anong gusto mo i-stock or anong gusto mong niche market. Kung gusto mo sash, branding ribbons, gift wrapping. Kung marami kang kakilalang schools, I suggest go with graduation ribbons. Ang i-stocks mo is 38 and 50 mm na ribbons. Kung yun yung imo-market mo, Pero kung hindi, you can go with to my people. So, ito yung ribbon printing calendar. Screenshot mo siya, ma'am. Ito yung last year na data namin from Label Up by Isa. Ma'am Rose Ann's Burial. Parang si Ma'am Rose Ann yung recorded ba to? Yes, ma'am. Recorded yata ito with sa Facebook. And upload ko din to, ma'am. Update ako sa community pag in-upload ko. Sayang hindi ka nakasama, ma'am, sa giveaway. Pagod ako. I'll be ending this live po within 2 minutes. Let me know lang po if you have a question. And if hindi ko na po ma-accommodate, chat na lang po kayo sa page. Magre-reply naman yung operations personals namin. So, mahirap pa mag-print sa ribbon printer. Ganito lang siya. Ito, i-play ko to. So, mahirap ba mag-print? Yan po yung printer natin. LG Line 32 na sa video. Yan, naka-bubble wrap ang ating printer with tape. Kompleto po yan ng paraphernalia with course, ribbon course. Yan po yung paglalagyan nyo ng mga foils. Yan, saksakan, mga shaft, and the stencil guide. So, ayan, may libreng ribbons, may libreng foils. Yung foils ko is rolls na. Yung ribbons, yards, 2 peraso. And then yan, tuturuan ko kayo ng team namin how to properly assemble yung mga shaft. Yan, mga ikot-ikot. Tuturuan po kayo ng team namin which part yung may part ng ink and how to print the software. Madali lang po yan. Ano tawag doon? Madali lang po yung promise mo nga lang sa mga hirap. Pero we will guide din naman po may after sales response at po ang mga operating services. So, ayan. yan siya. Tapos, message nyo lang po ang team namin for more details. And yes, 3:30 na. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. I hope marami po kayong natutunan sa akin today. Bye-bye! Ano yung Twister mo yun? Stop sharing. And stream.